guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a mystery wand unboxing, wrapping, I don't know. So before we get started, I've already had one of these. I opened it and I got Luna Lovegoods wand. I've posted on Instagram. If you haven't seen it, go follow me at Ariana Fleck. Another thing is I bought two of them and didn't realize they were opened. So I had the lady check for me and make sure there were wands in there. And just probably somebody was just trying to see if there were ones they had already got or not. So I'm going to start off with those because I just want to get them out of the way. So they're in this packaging and then they're in a box, so you can't really tell what they are. So I have Luna's already. Let's see whose we have. I believe this is Harry's wand. There we are. Right there. Nice. It's got a nice feel to it. I don't know the comparison between these wands because these are only at Walmart $13.88. I don't know the comparison between these wands and like the ones you would buy at like the Wizarding World or order online or something like that. These do feel a little lighter, maybe cheaper made, I'm not sure. But there is Harry's wand. So that's our first wand. I'm not even going to keep the boxes. I had thought about it, but I would hoard them all, and I don't have room for that. So yeah, and it comes with a little dude, little holographic Harry. That's cool. So, there are 9 mystery wands. So there's Luna, Tonks, Voldemort, Death Eater wand, Harry Potter, Hermione, Ron Weasley, Draco, and Neville. So that's cool. Let's go ahead with the second opened one. And box. Let's see. This is Draco. Cool. So this is Draco Malfoy's wand. Sorry. So it's got a nice black handle. Very sleek, neat, tidy, like Draco himself. So these are pretty cool. I can definitely tell they're not made as nicely as the ones that you would buy, you know, at the Wizarding World or something, but nonetheless, they're $13, so let's see who we have next. I've been meaning to do this forever. I've just kind of been accumulating them every few weeks. And I just realized I got Voldemort's wand. Boom. This is so cool. I love it. I love it. Although nobody really likes Voldemort. I mean, like, you don't want him to win, okay? But people like him. Like, I like him, but I don't want him to win, if that makes sense. See, I got a little Voldy. And this is another little peek at his handle. Looks like it's made of a bone. Is it? I don't remember. I feel like I may have read that somewhere, but I'm not sure. Cool. Okay, so I've got 4 of the 9. I wouldn't be surprised if I have a duplicate today. If not, I'm a really lucky person. We'll see. And I don't have a duplicate. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. I bet the next one will be. This is Neville. And here is his pretty little wand. I really like it. It's very cool. So cool. I have 5 of the 9 wands. And I just went to Walmart because, like, I would go and then they'd be out. And then the next time I would go, because I don't go very much, but now I've been going because I feel like Walmart's been stepping up their game. Let's just talk about that for a second. I feel like they've been stepping up their game. So, there's that. And now they have a whole thing of these, probably because Christmas is coming. But, you know, whatever. I did get a duplicate. This is Draco's again. So I may gift this to somebody. I just might. So I'm going to keep that in the box. I actually have a couple people at work who I think might appreciate this. So we're going to keep those in their little packages. I have 1 left. This is my last one. Oh my gosh. I wanted to do 10 altogether. But that would take me a few more weeks. I just want to open these. I'm sorry, I just do. Who do I have? Oh, Neville again. Whatever. Okay. So, over the next few weeks, I'm going to buy a couple more because now I need 4. I need 4. So, I got 2 dupes. I got 2 Nevilles, 2 Dracos. And this one I have Neville, Harry, Voldy, and Draco. And then in my room I have Luna. So that's pretty cool. I'm super pumped. I am so excited. Now I just want to go buy more. So you might see another one of these soon. Maybe, maybe not. Who knows? Thank you so much for watching. I know it's been a couple weeks. I took a little bit of a break. I am tired. Actually, this isn't really a tired look. This is just like I just didn't really feel like doing much today. So I just did my face, which is kind of wearing off. But I have a lot happening. So I'm like right in the middle of my semester at school and all this other stuff. So I took like a break, a couple week break. So I will upload this tomorrow. Today is Wednesday, the 7th. I will upload this hopefully by Friday. And then hopefully I'll be working on another video. So, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you thought. Let me know if you like this kind of video, because I do. I feel like I've been kind of getting repetitive with the unboxings, like the Simply Earth, BoxyCharm and stuff. And I know people want to see that stuff, but I wanted to do something a little different. So I've been collecting these. They've been kind of hanging out in my Christmas closet where all my Christmas presents are that I've already started buying. I just wanted to get them done so I can put them up and showcase them. Like I said, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you thought. Like, share, subscribe, comment down below. And until next time.